Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. We have another dashing short hairstyles for beautiful black women. You know, there are several ways women can really handle or hide their tiny hair issues to always flatter those facial features and image. So one of the way I can talk about is just to get those extremely short, or let's say very low haircuts that will always make their hair loss less noticeable. And this is most especially for the older women over 60 and above, or for the beautiful women that are having alopecia, because it will always make the hair loss or alopecia or even the thin hair less noticeable and visible, and it will just let you avoid any styling of maybe those salt and peppered hair or the gray hair, you know. But that's not just the case we want to talk about, because here in this video we have find beautiful gorgeous ideas on how you can wear your short haircuts, you know, for the beautiful black women, whether you have the fine hair gracefully, so whether you want that with volume or depending on your hair texture. So with this personal statement and the manifestation of your beauty, we have some short hairstyles. These hairstyles, you can see the styling options are limitless, and this style ranges to the shortest pixie haircut, or even the boys cut, or even the bad or to no hair. So if you really learn how to use thickening and styling product, like a much wider variety of short hairstyles that really flatter those fine hair will always be available to you. So you can see with the video on the screen, you can see, and some of the pictures we've highlighted here, they are all full of amazing thinner hair solutions, like for women over 50, or for those that have the gray hair. And this kind of haircut will make you look classy, and this kind of hairstyle also will make you look weightless and slight gold. So one thing with this style is that this is a style that will always suit your taste, and it will always accentuate your cheekbone and always make your face look gorgeous and full. Take a good look on this style. You can see you're going to stand out if you really rock this rejuvenating short haircuts with this airy texture. And one thing about the style, don't forget to use some beautiful colors if you wish, or if you want to leave it just naturally black, or naturally salt and peppered, or naturally gray, you know, you can also leave it that way, and you will always come out looking like an icon. So with this in mind, let me just let you guys to please watch this incredibly popular short hairstyles for beautiful black matured women. God bless you guys, and see you guys in my next video.
What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible, nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? We can never resist. Oh, you do not lie. You do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie. You do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. Amen. God is so beautiful. So yeah, just for you guys. Thank you so much. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible. Nothing impossible. What can't you do? What won't you do? Nothing impossible without God. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. You do not lie, you do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though. It can never ever exist though. According to your knowledge and your will for me, what you said you have done, I just need to align, no. Because you are not a man that changes your mind, oh. Those that know you will trust in you, not in horses and chariots. By the arm of flesh, no man can prevail. No man, no man, no man, no man. My confidence is you. What is hard? What is hard for you? We can never resist though. You do not lie. You do not fail. What is hard for you to do? It doesn't exist though.